Starting with finance can feel complicated when every platform looks too technical from the first page. CrownGateFlow.com takes a cleaner approach. CrownGateFlow.com is a finance and market education platform created for users who want simple learning, structured tools, and a clearer way to understand market-related topics. In this CrownGateFlow.com review, we are looking at the platform's strengths, its learning style, and why beginners may find it useful as a starting point. CrownGateFlow.com focuses on making finance education easier to follow. Users can explore basic financial concepts, market movement, account tools, and risk awareness through a platform experience that feels more organized. For beginners, this matters because the first step should feel clear, not overloaded. CrownGateFlow.com helps users move through financial topics with more structure and less confusion. The platform is not only about reading information. CrownGateFlow.com brings together educational sections, market tools, account access, and user guidance in one place. That makes the experience more practical for people who want to learn how different platform features connect to financial understanding. The name fits the idea well. Crown suggests confidence and a premium standard. Gate reflects access. Flow points to smoother movement through tools, learning, and market information. CrownGateFlow.com reviews are likely to focus on the platform's clean structure, beginner-friendly content, and simple navigation. A platform for new users should make finance feel easier to approach. CrownGateFlow.com supports that by keeping the experience focused on education, clarity, and practical access. Users can explore financial topics, review tools, and build a stronger learning routine step by step. CrownGateFlow.com is best understood as a finance education and market tools platform for beginners who want clarity before action. Its main strengths are structured learning, simple platform access, market education, and a smoother user experience. If you are researching CrownGateFlow.com reviews, the key point is simple. The platform is built to make financial learning feel more organized, practical, and easier to start.